The newborn baby lies screaming on a table, out of touch with its mother's body, wildly grasping the air as if trying to make contact with her. For months inside her womb, it's been wrapped snugly by her body. Now, all that physical intimacy has been lost. The natural reaction at this point would be to put the baby into the embrace of its mother's arms. But here in Russia, in St. Petersburg, it is instead offered the embrace of swaddling clothes, bound and encased until it looks like a little Russian doll. This close binding does, of course, stop it crying, because it's reminiscent of the tight enfolding of the walls of the womb. But it also isolates the baby from any intimacy with its mother.
Вот, так вот, мои маленькие. Конечно, да.
Swaddling of this kind has been practiced for thousands of years and has always succeeded in quietening the infant because of the firm sense of bodily security it gives.
Вот какие мы работники, мы работники. Вот, посмотрите на нас. Вот как мы работать хотим. Да, конечно. Очень модите. Очень мои ладушки-то. Конечно, вот короче. Вот они, невестушки.